Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this lecture we'll be talking about the JavaScript a lot more. Here you can see that some HTMLization has been applied already. I'm just going there. I'm just gonna apply the JavaScript. So we didn't work on the JavaScript yet. We just talked about what is JavaScript and how we use that. So here first of all, JavaScript also has different levels. JavaScript can be applied externally or can be applied internally, not like inline JavaScript, but the events can be launched inline, absolutely, but events are called just like the attribute, so no problem. There is nothing big, but how we can call the JavaScript, how we can open the JavaScript. We need to know about the script tag, and there are some places we just call the JavaScript. We just do not call the JavaScript inside the, actually not anywhere. We generally call the JavaScript inside the head, or now the preferred method is right after everything in the body, but in the body, but right after everything in the body. This is how we just call the JavaScript. We just call the script tag, and inside the script tag we just call the JavaScript. This is how we do it. So inside that I'm gonna do something like the very first JavaScript thing, alert. Alert means this thing will make a pop-up on a screen. So when you just refresh the page, you'll get a pop-up, and in the pop-up you'll get whatever you write here. Like I'm writing something like this is an alert. Now save it. Now go to the browser back, and there's a document. Now refresh that page. So this is an alert. Now I'm not getting anything refreshed. You can see that it's moving and moving and moving and moving. I'm not getting anything new unless I just click on OK. Means the whole script now being stopped. Unless I just surpass this this alert, I won't get anything updated. So I'm just going to click on the OK button. After the OK button, the clicking on OK button, I got this. I got everything. So this is how it works, and we can do a lot of things like that. We just need to know about how we need to do things. Like if I just make another alert in this way, and no, let's just type something like the second. Oh, sorry. You can see that I just cannot type anything without single or double quotes. I can type, but you can see that the color is now changed, and there is a reason. I'll be talking about the single or double quotes later, but for now, I'm just simply putting that the second alert, saving, going to the browser, refreshing that. Now, first I'm gonna get the first alert. This is an alert. Then when I just click on OK, you can see that the second alert is not even loaded. When I just click on OK button, I got the second alert now. Click on a second alert now. We got the screen, we got the data. So what is this? This is actually a kind of Windows object. We didn't talk about the object yet. You're gonna really confused, but no problem, because we'll be talking about everything we need. So no problem at all. But for now, these things related to Windows. So this is only a document, and everything here is actually a window. If you know the basic rule of the window, how a window works, Windows works. So this is actually a window. So we're just calling a thing from a window. So Windows just stopped everything unless the Windows things got loaded or done. So these are Windows elements. Actually, these are just the way how JavaScript works. And then we'll be talking about them too in some later classes. More details about the pop-ups in JavaScript. So no problem. It is everything fine. Now I'm just gonna go to the next class, next lecture. Stay tuned and good.